NVMe PCIe adapters are necessary to enable faster storage speeds, expand compatibility, and upgrade systems with high-performance SSDs. My today's video is about top 5 best NVMe PCIe adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at eluding NVMe PCIe adapter. This PCIe to M.2 NVMe adapter is a practical and high-performance expansion solution for users looking to unlock faster storage speeds on desktop systems. It supports a wide range of M.2 NVMe SSD sizes including 2230 to 2280, ensuring broad compatibility with modern drives, while strictly focusing on PCIe-based NVMe protocols for maximum performance. With support for PCIe X4, X8, and X16 slots, it integrates easily into most motherboards, though it excludes legacy SATA and non-supported interfaces for clarity and stability. Theoretical transfer speeds up to 32 Gbps enable rapid large file movement, significantly improving productivity workflows. Built-in solid-state capacitors enhance voltage stability, protecting the SSD from power fluctuations and ensuring reliable operation even under thermal stress. Additionally, the aluminum heatsink effectively dissipates heat, maintaining consistent performance and extending SSD lifespan. Combined with driver-free operation on modern Windows systems, it delivers a stable, efficient, and durable upgrade path for high-speed storage expansion. Now our second product is Sabrent NVMe PCIe adapter. This all-in-one PCIe expansion card is a powerful solution for users who need both high-speed storage and ultra-fast networking in a single compact upgrade. Featuring 3 M.2 NVMe slots alongside a built-in 10 GB Ethernet port, it is especially well suited for NAS setups, home labs, and space-constrained high-performance systems. A key advantage is its no bifurcation design, allowing installation in any PCIe X4 or larger slot without requiring special BIOS or lane splitting support, making it highly user-friendly. It supports a wide range of NVMe SSDs from 2230 to 2280 and across PCIe generations, accommodating large capacity drives up to 8 TB per slot for serious storage expansion. The integrated Marvel-based 10 GB port delivers enterprise-level networking speeds while maintaining backward compatibility for flexible connectivity. Additionally, the tool-free aluminum heatsink with thermal padding ensures efficient cooling under sustained workloads, promoting long-term stability. Our third product is SSK NVMe PCIe adapter. This M.2 SSD enclosure is a versatile and high-performance storage solution designed for users who need fast, portable, and flexible external drive access. It supports both NVMe PCIe and SATA M.2/B plus M SSDs in 2242, 2260, and 2280 sizes, making it widely compatible with modern SSD formats, while clearly excluding unsupported PCIe HCI and non-M.2 devices for stable operation. With a USB-C interface supporting up to 10 gigabits per second via USB 3.1 Gen 2 or Thunderbolt 3, it delivers extremely fast transfer speeds, enabling large file movements such as HD movies in seconds, while remaining backward compatible with USB 3.0/3.1 Gen 1. The durable aluminum alloy body enhances heat dissipation and portability, supported by thermal pads for improved SSD cooling. The RTL9210B controller ensures stable performance with UASP and trim support, improving speed efficiency and SSD lifespan. Combined with plug-and-play functionality across major operating systems, it offers a reliable, compact, and high-speed external storage upgrade. Now number 4, Samsung NVMe PCIe adapter. The 990 EVO Plus is a next-generation SSD built for users who demand extreme speed, reliability, and future-ready performance. Delivering sequential read and write speeds of up to 256, 300 MB/s, it significantly reduces load times and accelerates heavy workloads such as 4K per 8K video editing, large file transfers, and gaming installations. Its intelligent TurboWrite 2.0 technology enhances sustained performance, especially in large file scenarios, making the 4 TB variant ideal for power users and creators. Thermal efficiency is another strong point, with a nickel-coated controller ensuring lower power consumption and stable temperatures even under continuous load. Compatibility with both PCIe 4.0x4 and PCIe 5.0x2 platforms provides excellent flexibility for modern and next-gen systems. Additionally, Samsung Magician software offers real-time monitoring, firmware updates, and security features, keeping the drive optimized over time. And our last choice is Asus NVMe PCIe adapter. This high-performance PCIe expansion card is engineered for users who demand extreme NVMe storage scalability and sustained speed under heavy workloads. Supporting up to 4 NVMe M.2 SSDs, 2242/2260/2280/22110, it delivers an impressive combined bandwidth of up to 256 gigabits per second by fully leveraging PCIe 4.0 architecture. Built on a PCIe 4.0x16 interface with server-grade low-loss PCB materials, it ensures stable, high-integrity data transmission while maintaining compatibility with X8 and X16 slots for flexible system integration. Designed for next-generation high-power SSDs, it supports drives with up to 14W power consumption, making it suitable for enterprise-level storage performance. Thermal management is a key strength, featuring a stylish heatsink paired with an integrated blower-style fan that actively prevents M.2 throttling during sustained workloads. Overall, it is a robust, server-inspired solution ideal for high-end workstations, NAS systems, and professionals needing maximum NVMe expansion with reliable thermal and electrical stability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.